Welcome friends, welcome back to my another Clean Planet Walk. How are you all my dear friends? I hope all are well and I am also good. And you know I am Amdul Islam from Tangail district of Bangladesh. Friends, today is Tuesday 2 November 2021. This Tuesday morning, now morning time, I visiting our village agriculture land area. You can see behind my back our village agriculture land. Really beautiful place. Here is a cultivated new crop. Friends, now I am studying in our village middle of agricultural land area. Friends, this place is really beautiful, natural place. Friends, I always like natural place, our village agricultural land, nature, green nature, and I always try to save our nature. I think nature is wealth of our world. I always try to save the green nature, our agricultural land. So this morning I visiting our village agricultural land and I walked here and I saw here is some polluted garbage. So now I collected that garbage and that garbage to in the dustbin. তো বন্ধুরা, আজকে মঙ্গলবার সকালে আমি এই গ্রামের কৃষি জমির মাঝে এসেছি। আপনারা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন রিয়েলি বিউটিফুল প্লেস, ন্যাচারাল প্লেস। তো এত সুন্দর জায়গায় দূষিত আবর্জনা থাকতে পারে না। আমি কিছু দূষিত আবর্জনা প্লাস্টিক দেখতে পেয়েছি, এগুলো সংগ্রহ করব, সংগ্রহ করে ডাস্টবিনে নিক্ষেপ করব। তো চলুন বন্ধুরা, পরিষ্কার মিশন শুরু করি। লেটস গো ফ্রেন্ড, ক্লিনিং মিশন স্টার্ট নাও। ফ্রেন্ডস, দিস ভিলেজ ন্যাচারাল প্লেস, I walk it here and try to collect polluted garbage. Let's go. Plastic. Friends, I always try to collect polluted plastic from nature. Friends, one man come here. চলে যাক। Friends, I try to collect polluted plastic from this natural place, agricultural land. Really beautiful place. I will get here and try to collect polluted garbage or plastic. Another. Friends, you know I always try to save our nature, our environment. Another plastic here. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Plastic. Friends, let's we all save our nature, our environment. Another plastic here. Another plastic. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Friends, stock this garbage and collected another garbage. Let's go. Plastic. Another plastic here. We got packed here. Friends, I walk it here and try to collect polluted plastic or garbage. Really beautiful place, beautiful agricultural land area. You can see this place. Friends, I collected this garbage from here. Friends, my cleaning mission is finished. I collected this garbage from this agricultural land area or natural place. এগুলো আমি এখন ডাস্টবিনে নিক্ষেপ করব। This dirt throw in the dustbin of village. Let's go. I collected this polluted garbage from here. এখান থেকে আমি আবর্জনাগুলো সংগ্রহ করেছি। Friends, this village used to dustbin this garbage throw in this dustbin. Thank you so much, friend, and this was my nature cleaning mission in Tuesday morning.